Hello everybody, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my Grindcore baking show. You dig? You dig? Today it is Good Friday, April the 10th, 2020. We're still stuck in this shitty coronavirus, so what better way to celebrate Good Friday than to do some kick-ass donuts. That's right, sugary goodness donuts. You won't get a better recipe than this. Follow this one and you are on to a... So I'm going to talk you through the ingredients, I'm going to talk you through the process of how to make these absolutely sugary pieces of goodness. So just watch this and you will be... So let's go through the ingredients right now, shall we? So here we are. These are the top ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need 70 grams of butter. You are going to also need 250 grams of plain flour. That's right, plain flour, not self-raising flour, not an actual flour. 250 grams of plain flour. We've got a nice teaspoon here of baking powder. Got half a teaspoon here of salt. We've got 170 milliliters of milk, in this case semi-skimmed, because I don't really like any of that whole milk shit, or skimmed milk shit for that matter, because that's just garbage. And we've got a nice bottle of this Tempest Brewing beer, Vermont Sessions, and there's a reason for this I will show you at the end of the video. So let's crack on with this, shall we? Here, first off, we need our mixing bowl, and what we're going to do now is put everything in there but I've just shown you apart from the milk later. Now watch this, watch this. Okay, we've got our flour, in the flour goes. Got our 70 grams of butter, in that goes. Yes sirree, there's a tiny bit there. We've got a teaspoon of our baking powder, slam that in there, slam it in, and we've got our salt. Bang the salt in there, there we go. And what we're going to do is we're going to use our hands, that's right. We're going to use our hands. Make sure you wash your hands before that, otherwise you're just going to have like a horrible flipping bacteria-ridden donuts and you don't want that, do you? Here we go. Just going to mix it with our hands like that. Feels really nice actually. Oh, that feels good. Mix it in there. Don't be afraid. Get your fingers and you gotta keep going until it feels like a nice breadcrumby sort of texture, you know what I mean? And you just gotta keep going until you get that sort of feel. And if it doesn't quite feel like breadcrumby yet, just add a bit more butter, that's what you want. Bit more of that butter. Let's crack on, shall we? Okay, so that's what we want. We want the breadcrumby type texture feel to it, like you just gotta feel with your fingers, feel with your fingers. So now we're gonna try and make a bit of a dough, like a nice firmish dough with this. So we're gonna start adding our milk now. Sorry, that's my budgie making a noise, I'm just gonna close the door. Alright, we've got our milk, let's add that sucker in. Let's not add all of it in though, let's just make sure we're not overdoing it. And do it again, do it with your hands. We're making a dough, we're making a nice firm dough. Oh my god, I can feel that alright on my fingers. Oh, crikey. This is a real messy process, I'm telling you now. This is a dough right here. This is the dough I'm telling you all about. So I was a dumb fucking forgot to hit record, and basically what you missed out was me turning this into a dough. Put a bit of milk in there and made sure it was like a nice texture. Made sure it was a nice firm dough, then put some flour down and rolled it out. And as you can see here, I've made a few donuts here. I've made a few. I'm still going to keep going with this, so I can't believe I didn't press record. What a fucking idiot I am. Get your rolling pin. Like I said, roll that shit out like a blunt. And you don't need this to be really all that thick, maybe about a centimetre thick, something like that. I haven't got like a professional, like, you know, donut cutter or anything like that, so I'm going to be using my girlfriend's takeout coffee mug, which I'm sure she'll be absolutely over the moon about. So there we go, we're going to cut a circle. Oh yeah, look at that. Now that is a perfect circle, and I haven't got anything smaller to cut with, so I'm going to use my garlic press. Bang that in there. Bang that in there, there we go. Got any extra dough? Keep all that excess dough, you hopefully might make some more donuts out of it. Let's go for the other one. Bang, bang, yes, another perfect circle. Roll out some more. Pretend you're playing blast beats on a snare drum. There we go, we got a bit there. Make that perfect circle. Boom. We've got 6 donuts so far. This is really good, this is really good. Let's see if we can get one more out of this, surely. Boom! We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 donuts out of all that. Out of all them ingredients I've just told you to do. 8 donuts. No more, no less. Okay, it's time to flipping fry these bad boys. I'm about to add the donuts into this wok here, which has got really hot vegetable oil in, so fingers crossed this goes alright. So I've not actually made these before ever in my life. I'm just actually following a friggin' recipe book thing, so this isn't actually my doing. I'm gonna add 2 in at a time. I'm not gonna throw all of them in there, so here we go. I wish me luck. Oh, there's 1. Oh, there's 2. Look at them sizzling away. Now that is looking pretty decent to me. And obviously you're going to want to fry them until they're golden brown and flip them every now and then. They're getting bigger already. Oh no, I'm so excited. These are looking absolute bio already. Now this is the deal with me. I haven't actually got any tongs because I'm not actually a professional baker person, but I've got 2 slotted spoons in which I'm going to scoop the dough out and flip it over onto its other side. So let's see how that goes. Wish me luck. Oh yeah, that's looking golden brown, that's looking golden brown. This is looking good. This is looking good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these bad boys and then start dunking them into the sugar, so we've got ourselves some sugary donuts to dig. Okay, here we go. We've got 1, we've got 2. Oh, look at that. Look at that. They're an absolute bad boy then. Bang that in there. So that's, oh there we go. We've got ourselves a sugary donut. Look at that. Look at that. Let's do the same for the other one. Oh yeah, I'm pleased about that. I'm pleased. Okay, I'm going to start throwing a lot more of these bad boys in now. Let's have a little bit of fun. And there you have it. Sugary donut goodness. That is it for today's Grindcore baking episode of these absolutely wonderful sugary donuts that I have just prepared. They are unbelievable and you do not need a lot of ingredients to make them. They're banging. If I can make them, you can make them. I'm telling you now. Remember earlier on that I mentioned one of the ingredients to this absolutely succulent, amazing dessert includes beer, and that you had to save it to last. Well, this is it, right? This is why I have to save it till last. Done such an excellent job, and so have I, on making these donuts. So what you're going to do is you're going to drink this and sit on the couch, give a toast to the NHS because they deserve that. Hope you all enjoyed this. Start making some donuts. Send me some photos and let me know if they went alright. If they didn't, unlucky, you just weren't born to bake like me. See you later. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, blah 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 blah. See you later. Bye. I've been Daniel Dixon, and this has been Grindcore Baking. See you later.